I feel like I'm here. Hey guys, Aliza here, back again. Most of you know me as a K-pop cover dancer, but today I'm gonna be a chef. So, a few days ago, I found a lot of questions, a lot of interesting questions and topics about K-pop cover dance community, K-pop cover dance industry, and today I'm decided to answer for these questions while I'm gonna to cook my favorite dish, my favorite dessert, and it's gonna be blueberry muffin, blueberry protein muffin, cupcake. It's gonna be cupcake. I'm gonna show you all of my personality for you guys. Like, even I'm a cringe person, I'm a clown and so on, but I'm not gonna be the best, I don't know, best version of myself, but I'm gonna be the real version of myself, so nice to meet you. First of all, I wanted to tell you, like, in cover dance and K-pop cover dance, I'm since 2020. At that time, it was like a fast thing cover in my life, and that's why I'm still dancing. I'm still cover dancer. First question is, I'm 20 years old. Is it too late to start doing K-pop dance covers? I'm 21. I'm still in this shit. You know that, like, cover dancing is really just one of type of dancing, and you could start it in every age if you wanted to do it. Why not? Well, you can do it. I'm gonna tell you a little story. I can understand why you could be a little embarrassed because of doing K-pop in such age, like older than 20. In my team, even I'm the leader, I'm also the oldest member of our team. Like, with the youngest one, we have a difference for 7 years. And sometimes when I see her, I always like think that I'm too old. So I put it in yogurt for this. God! You didn't see anything here. I guess I broke it. Oops. Okay. Next question. What's the biggest dream as a cover dancer? As a performer, as a dancer, as you know maybe or not, I'm a dancer since I was 3 and on stage I'm also by this age, since this age. So my biggest dream is perform on a really big stage or perform with my idols. I don't know, because it's really hard to be a backup dancer, but I really want to try. If I would have a chance, I'm gonna like that. The next question: which song would you absolutely never cover even if I beg it you in the comments? In K-pop cover dance, I'm for the last 6 years, for the last 5 years, Uh, actually, as every dancer in this industry, I have my personality trauma. My first dance project was Puma by TXT, and we prepared it for 5 or 6 months. You know, the first cover is always not a good experience because it's your first time to work at camera. It was so creepy. I'm so sorry. And YouTube blocked the music on this video, and we have like 2 days for trying to pause it again and again and again and again, just to music works at the time. So I have a trauma with this project. I never want to go do it again. But I'm really love 60. I really love their project, and I really want to do another covers for their music, but not for Puma anymore. Let me show you guys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How do you deal with the nerves before going on stage or hitting record? When I take my covers by the camera, I never become nervous, because you know, guys, like, it's just you and camera. Maybe also your dance members, and even you in a published place, you work at camera, and that's enough. When I'm always going to stage, it's kind of a circus time, because even I have a lot of experience to perform on the stage. I always nervous. I was scared. Always when I go to the stage, I always do like it really makes you refreshed. Blueberry, blueberry, blueberry. What do you listen to besides K-pop? Does it affect your dancing style at all? My music taste is kind of insane sometimes, because I listen to everything, like hello, hello, baby, you come. Look at this. Which songs give you straight up goosebumps every single time you perform it? Every K-pop cover dancer, I have a dream project, a dream dance project, and for me it is Fate of Trouble. Yes, I'm really obsessed with this song. You know, like boba tea, gnarly, Tesla, gnarly, cupcakes, gnarly. What is yours more, your knees, your back, or your pride when you look at your cringe performance from 5 years ago? Guys, the last one, definitely the last one. The first video on the channel here when I was 17. Yeah. And sometimes when I look at that, I'm really thinking that maybe I wanna delete this or not. Guys, I'm 21. I'm 21. I'm 21. How often do you dance in front of the bathroom mirror with a hairbrush, pretending it's a concert for 1 million people? If your smile while dancing was here, emoji would be this or this. um. Yes.
Yes!
I don't know. Let it be this one. The next one. How many times have you said, okay, let's take, guys, I'm serious, and then feel like 10 more? It's a base, guys. It's a base. Really, like, uh, always in the end of the shooting process, I always the leader of the dance projects because I'm the leader of our team, and I always said like, okay guys, we have another 2 last takes, and that will be the end of our shooting. But when I saw the last one, I always like, guys, we gonna have another take. My team. Show you. Look at this one. Look at this. It's so sweet. It so looks good. Blueberry cupcakes. Oh yeah. It's a knife. It's a knife. I need to make my favorite coffee with that. It's so freaking good. See you next video. So hot. So hot.